Hello everyone. Today we are talking about a long-standing and important issue in India, rat hole coal mining in Meghalaya. Recently, there have been significant developments involving court orders, environmental concerns, and regulatory responses. In this video, we'll clearly explain what rat hole mining is, the recent news around it, its environmental and social impacts, and what the future holds. Rat hole mining is a method used to extract coal through narrow vertical shafts only about 1 meter by 1 meter wide. Miners then work horizontally at different depths, often with basic tools and little safety infrastructure. This method is prevalent in the Jaintia hills of Meghalaya and has been practiced for decades. While it provides jobs and local income, the method is extremely unscientific and unsafe. Rat hole mining has drawn serious criticism for several reasons. Number 1. Safety hazard. Miners are exposed to risks of collapse, flooding, and toxic gas exposure. Number 2. Environmental damage. The practice leads to soil erosion, loss of forests, and siltation of rivers. Number 3. Flood risk. Slope destabilization increases the threat of landslides and flash floods during rains. Number 4. Child labor and informal work. Lack of regulation has sometimes allowed exploitative labor conditions. Due to these impacts, courts and environmental bodies have repeatedly questioned the legality and safety of rat hole operations. According to the latest update, India's National Green Tribunal (NGT) and the Supreme Court have been closely monitoring the situation. In recent hearings, the Supreme Court asked authorities to show steps taken to enforce mining bans and rehabilitation of affected areas. Meanwhile, the government of Meghalaya has presented data indicating that illegal mining was taking place despite earlier bans. Legal scrutiny is ongoing, with the court seeking more clarity on how to balance livelihoods with environmental protection. For local communities in Meghalaya, especially in the Jaintia hills, coal mining is both a source of income and a source of distress. Families depend on mining jobs, especially in the rural areas. However, environmental degradation affects agriculture, water quality, and forest resources. Frequent accidents have caused loss of life and injuries, highlighting the absence of safety compliance. Thus, any regulatory action must consider both workers' livelihoods and sustainable development. Government officials and experts have expressed mixed views. Meghalaya government has argued for regulated mining with safety norms to protect jobs. Environmental activists and experts stress that rat hole mining must end permanently because of long-term ecological damage. Some analysts suggest shifting towards scientific and mechanized mining instead of informal manual approaches. All sides agree that community engagement, rehabilitation, and sustainable alternatives are key to progress. Going forward, several questions remain. Will the Supreme Court uphold a strict ban on rat hole mining? Can alternative livelihood programs protect workers and families? Is there a pathway for responsible and scientific mining in the region? These decisions will shape not only the environment of Meghalaya, but also the way India addresses informal mining and sustainability. To summarize, rat hole mining in Meghalaya has been controversial due to its environmental harm and safety risks. Recent court proceedings have renewed focus on reform, rehabilitation, and sustainable alternatives. If this video helped you understand the latest development on rat hole mining, like and share it. Comment down below which current affairs topic you want explained next. Arambagh Pathshala.